In business, you get more by doing more. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's Natalie, and today I want to talk about hustling, grinding, and working 13, 14, 15 hours a day just so that your business will grow. Now that is not essentially the case. In fact, it might not be the reason why your business will ever grow. And that is because many people confuse being busy with being productive. There's no point being busy if you aren't actually generating results. And now I see this problem with everyone, especially those who start their business. They focus on way too many things at once. And that's like things like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, email marketing, chat bots. For some reason, people think that you have to do all of this in order to become successful, when in reality, if you're doing all of them, then you are just becoming inefficient. You're being inefficient because you are not focusing on the money-making activities. Not all of them are money-making activities. For example, if you're reading books, right, and you think that's necessary, and courses, and those are necessary, whilst they're good and you should be doing them at some point in your life, but doing them too much, not only those, like, the wrong traffic source, the wrong platform, when you can be mastering one platform. These are holding you back from becoming a master at one thing and monetizing it. So, for instance, I am not even starting to do chatbots while everyone right now is, and because they think that it's the way to go. But I don't really need chatbots right now, especially as, if I'm trying to build relationships, I don't need a robot to talk to my potential leads, right? So I'm focusing on doing content marketing. You gotta identify what these money-making activities are in your business. I do not know your business, but usually it's doing content for traffic, generating leads, and converting the leads. These are the activities that are going to make you money. So there's a difference between working hard, working so much, than working smart. So you gotta really be smart about this. And you don't essentially need to work so hard in order to become successful. I know some really good, hardworking people who are cab drivers, really hardworking cab drivers, hardworking truck drivers, and people who work at the warehouses, and they work so hard for hours, 12-hour shifts, 14-hour shifts, and yet they are not successful. Also, working so hard is only going to lead to burnout. Now, if you are focusing on multiple things at once, you are only going to burn out because you are a human person thing. Yeah, so you have very limited energy supplies and brain functionality supplies. And so, you can't rely on doing so many things unless you delegate to the ones who know how to do it. I also want to bring up the fact that people look up to having multiple business streams, and I agree that having multiple business streams is going to make you a successful person. That means that you are successful, but I do not get how beginners are focusing on getting multiple streams when they cannot even master one yet. Doing more is not the best thing to do when you start. There are so many people who try to get me into Bitcoin, so many people who try to get me into this and this and this, and I tell them no. I'm trying to focus on my affiliate marketing business right now. Doing so many things, it's only going to divide your time and energy between everything that you are doing, when you could have put all of your energy into one thing and made it a really big masterpiece. So I agree that if you have multiple business streams, then you are successful, but you gotta master one first. So don't go crazy about, coming up with the next shiny object. That's not going to make you successful fast. If you want to be successful fast, focus on one thing at a time. So in my business, I was actually handling Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and email marketing, right? Now, I decided to take down all of these and just focus on one thing, and that is this: YouTube. I'm doing this 21-day challenge, and I'm posting a video every single day for 21 days, and that takes me away from posting on Instagram. I'm still posting on Instagram, but I'm working smartly because I am repurposing my YouTube videos. I'm not making exclusive content for Instagram. All of the posts that I put on Instagram are now my YouTube videos. And so I just, take out the micro content from the macro content on YouTube and I post it on Instagram. So that's what I do to save my time from Instagram. And Facebook is literally not even, I don't know. I just sync my Instagram and my Facebook, and I don't do much on Facebook except for sometimes participate in groups. But that's what I do personally for my business. So I'm focusing on YouTube right now and building my library here because this is what I'm meant to do as an affiliate marketer. So I hope this video helped. If you want to pick the business model that's passive and that's going to generate money passively, all you got to do is build the machine first, and then in the long run, it's going to generate money while you sleep. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, which is one of the most passive income businesses, then click the link down below, breakfreeandprosper.com, and I'll catch you guys on my next one.